Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off caps lock key sound in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's the thing about the caps lock key sound. A lot of keyboards do not have that light associated with caps lock. Like, I don't have that on my keyboard. So how would I know whether the caps lock is on or off? So for this, we can use that sound option. Okay. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab, and then you can scroll down to keyboard. There's an option called toggle keys. It says play a sound whenever you press caps, num, or scroll lock. Turn it on, and pressing the caps lock will give a distinct sound when you turn it on and a distinct sound when you turn it off. Okay, so this is how you can distinguish. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.